Secondhand smoke contains more than 7,000 chemicals. 69 of these are known to cause cancer. Some of these chemicals include rat poison, paint stripper, road surfacing, and even rocket fuel. Even a brief exposure to the smoke can be harmful. A person's risk of developing heart disease, lung cancer, or stroke increases from each exposure. Cigarettes are not just harmful to the body, but also are the causes of fires. 1 in every 4 house fires is due to a burning cigarette. Your actions are hazardous to those around you as well as to your home.
Children who are not careful can also be seriously burned by a lit cigarette. Nicotine, the addictive substance in cigarettes, is poisonous if ingested, especially to young children. Children's lungs are more delicate than adults. Children of smokers are likely to develop diseases such as asthma and glue ear, which is the infection and swelling of the ear. Cigarette smoke that is inhaled by children can lead to bronchitis and pneumonia. Your actions are putting your kids in harm's way.
Cigarette smoking is responsible for 1 in 5 premature deaths in the United States.
It causes about 1/3 of all cancers and about 90% of all lung cancers. Other effects of smoking include yellowing of teeth, shortness of breath, compromises in the immune system, osteoporosis, and heart disease. A common misconception of smoking is that the damage is already done, so why quit now? In reality, the effects can be reversed.
You may feel like the withdrawal symptoms are not worth quitting for, but you have to remember why you are quitting. Just 20 minutes after you quit, your heart rate and blood pressure will drop back to normal levels. Between 1 and 9 weeks, you will notice that your cough and shortness of breath will be less pronounced. In just 1 year, your risk of getting heart disease is cut in half. In 5 years, your risk of cervical cancer and stroke decrease, and your risk from contracting mouth, throat, and esophagus and bladder cancers will be half of what it is right now. In 10 years, the risk of dying from lung cancer will decrease by half, and the risk of developing pancreatic and larynx cancer also decreases. In 15 years after you quit smoking, your risk of heart disease is equivalent to non-smokers' risk.
If you smoke 1 pack a day, you could save $5,000 annually by quitting. In just 5 years, that would be enough to buy a brand new car. Or the money could go towards a vacation in Hawaii, your child's education, or even a nice place to retire to.
You need to remember who and what you are quitting for. We know it's hard to quit, but you're not alone in this. If you need help quitting, call 1-800-QUIT-NOW. That is 1-800-784-8669.